Hi guys, so this is Suma Gadhari and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then yes, do subscribe to this face. Just for today, we're gonna start with some Friendship Day DIY gifts. Cute little gifts for your friends which you can make it at the very last moment. जब कुछ नहीं मिलता है बाहर, obviously this is the place. So let's get it started before wasting more time. Very first DIY, we need a cord. You can take any cords. I have used the colorful one. We need to take 6 strands of 20 centimeters each. So now I'm just gonna cut that. After that, we are using a forever locket which you can get easily in the market for around 10 rupees. You can use any locket, for example your best friend's name or an infinity locket or a BFF locket, any such. Then we have to take a single strand and insert it in the hole. Once this is done, similarly you have to take 2 more strands and insert it in the same way. After completing, take all the 3 strands in such a manner where you can start with a braid, like you simply braid for your school days, like your hair. So you just have to start braiding it out. Okay, one more thing, you need to take the strands in a proper size. Do not take one up or one down. So here we are simply braiding like we do in our school days to our hair. Once this is done, take the ends of the smallest strand and cut all the other ends in the same size. So this is the smallest strand that we have, the blue one. Take all the other strands with the same size. Now we will just start loosening up the braid so that it gets a bit widen up, so that your bracelet looks a more fat kind of a thing. We're just going to pull it towards the outer part. After this, we need to lock it using a clip. So this is a clip which is kind of a crab hand. So to just have to insert this clip. And to tighten it, you can just use your hands by pressing it. To tighten it more thoroughly, you can use a plier like what I am using one. And if you don't have these pliers, then you can use anything from your kitchen which helps you to press in this thing. Especially tighten the corner so that none of the threads come out. So now it's almost ready. All we need to do is put a lock and a cuddy at both the ends. This is how a cuddy and lock looks like. Put the lock in the cuddy and just press both the ends. So it's done. So your one side is completely ready. Now take the other side. Take a cuddy again. And you can just do the same way. If you're unsure of the size, you can take this ready-made cuddy and you can just insert it. So one side of the bracelet has a lock and the other has a cuddy, and it's ready. I've used a small bottle which you can find it in the market like anywhere for about 30 rupees and a small piece of chart paper. So now measure the size of paper which you are going to insert in the bottle. Fold the paper and cut it about 3 centimeters to make the rolls. So that's 1, 2 and 3. I've cut it more because I need the rolls to be more like in a smaller size. Now just write some cute little messages for your best friend and roll them. So like I am approximately writing a story. Lol. So just rolling it about, and I'm using the thread which was like a leftover from my last DIY. After that you just need to tie it and put it in the bottle. Once you are done, fill the bottle with all the rolls. Here you can also use a teddy, or like I have used a teddy and some few heart cutouts which I found in my craft materials. You can also use some of the things from your raw materials or anything that you find in your house. And it's done. So I hope you like both the bracelet and the small cute little bottle. Except for these handmade DIYs, I got some really cute gifts from my friends as well. I'll show you one of them. Okay, this is a perfume. This is basically a handmade perfume, as you can see. The bottle is really simple. So I know you get perfumes and deos in market, but I wanted to gift her something really special and something really different. So this is a handmade perfume. We made this ourselves, and yeah, so you can make it whatever fragrances you want and all such things. Okay, so yeah, this was one of it. And the other thing is this cute little candle. So it's like a beer candle. This is one of for my alcohol friend who's too much into alcohol, so I thought I'll just gift him this. So it's like this is the beer part and that's the smoke part. So this is also a handmade candle. For this handmade candle, rather than making it, I think you can get it in the market for hardly 50 rupees. This was for 40. Yeah, this was for 40. And even the perfume that I showed you before was for 50 rupees. So yeah, so all the gifts that we made today and that I showed you right now is under 50 rupees. Yes, you heard me right, it's under 50 rupees. The cute little bits. Okay, one more thing is this. The way you learn those simple bracelet, it's like the same. You just have to cut 5 strings and that's it. I have to attach this lock and the curly, that's it, and it is done. This is the simplest thing. Yeah, so this is all for today and I hope you guys like it. If you like this video or if you want to learn something more about the perfume and the candle, do drop into the comments and we'll surely make one video for those specific things. And yeah, I hope you like it, and do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.